Hi, I'm Benjamin from Monaco Motorcars, and today I'm here to show you the 2006 G35 Coupe 6-speed manual. This particular vehicle has the high rev engine option, so 306 horsepower. This one has some slight custom work, 20-inch axis wheels and a staggered fitment, I-box springs, as well as an engine cold air intake. Everything's been done to this car real tastefully. As you can see, shaved emblems and stuff like that. Car is just gorgeous, fantastic shape, 88,000 kilometers, so real low mileage. Runs great. You can see the fitment on the wheels is fantastic. Body is, perfect shape, flawless. See, we got the dish on these wheels is real large. I'll use my BlackBerry for just as an example to give you an idea of the depth of the wheels, depth of the dish. Beautiful lines in this car, very striking. Can't really drive it anywhere without turning all the heads. Quick look to show you just like how clean the car is. Like, look at the brakes. This car's never been winter driven. Do a quick scan of the interior. The car's actually running right now, so flawless leather seats. The power memory seat options, full power seat options, so all power. Everything's power on this car. All the options you'd expect in a $50,000 car. $50,000 new. Just give it a quick rev for you as well. So as you can see, everything's good shape. You have the
and in one of those rare cases where both left and right agreed on something, City Hall opted to scrap the ideas of new fees. Bad idea. Not seeing that this is a great thing. First off, it's nice to see some cooperation between our elected officials.
Just pop the hood real quick. As you can see here, high rev engine with the engine cold air intake. Subtle front lip. There you have it. I'll just do one last quick walk around here for you. Fully shaved emblems in the rear. Would be my phone ringing inside the rear wheel.